Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I'm Ernest with UpFix, and today I'm going to be showing you how to remove an FRM3 module, otherwise known as a Footwell module, from a 2012 Mini Cooper. This affects the year ranges from 2006 all the way up to 2015, and a similar year range for BMWs. So let's get started. So before we remove the module here, on the kick panel on the driver's side, I'm going to go ahead and pop the hood and disconnect the negative terminal on the battery. So the battery in this vehicle is located underneath this plastic trim right here near the firewall. I'm going to use a 10mm socket wrench to unscrew the negative terminal. The FRM3 Footwell module is located on the kick panel right here underneath the dash on the driver's side. And the first thing we're going to do is remove this weather strip rubber piece, followed by removing this plastic trim interior rocker panel right here. So there's 3 plugs in total, one small one in the front, and then the trickier ones are the 2 in the back. There's a little locking arm, and I'm using a flathead screwdriver to press in and then pulling up on the locking arm, and it should simultaneously, you should hear a click, and you can pull it out. After removing this first plug, there are 2 10mm bolts, one here at the top and one at the bottom on each side. The next step is to dismount the FRM3 module, and you'll see the 2 plugs on the back. Once you have the FRM3 out, you'll see these 2 plugs. Just slightly bend it here, and the same applies as you would see on this plug where you have a little locking arm. I'm going to press down on this, pull down simultaneously. You should hear a click. That's the first one. And then the second one here, the same thing. Pull that arm all the way down and simultaneously that plug will come out. You'll hear a click, and there you have it. Before reinstalling the FRM3 and hooking up the battery back up, make sure the key fob is out of the ignition just to be on the safe side. So once you have your part removed, carefully package it and ship it to us. Our UpFix expert repair technicians will repair it and keep you updated every step of the way. Hopefully you found this video helpful. We'll see you next time.